Hello friends, this is me Ravindra R. Visare from Secondary Ashram School, Sangli, Taluka Shirpur, District Dhule. Today we are going to learn a very interesting story about a old woman. Actually, she is very tiny woman, which is teeny tiny. Before starting the actual lesson, I would like to introduce this story. Here is a teeny tiny. It is a traditional English story that creates horror and fun at the same time. It is a traditional story. It creates horror and fun at the same time. The words teeny tiny repeated throughout the story. So many times you can see in the lesson the word teeny tiny is repeated. That add fun to the story. The story takes you to the world of fantasy where you see ordinary things are mysterious one. Story of old woman are common in our traditional tales. You know it very well. So let's turn to the actual lesson. Before starting this lesson, I would like to tell you the meaning of teeny tiny. Actually, the word teeny tiny is a compound word. It made of two words. Both words have same meaning. Teeny means small and tiny means also small. Actually, this word is like phalapida, pani meaning. That type of word is this. So let's turn to the actual story. Once upon a time, there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Now, one day, this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny way, she came to a teeny tiny gate. So the teeny tiny woman opened the teeny tiny gate and went into the teeny tiny churchyard. See, as I said previously that you will see teeny tiny word so many times. Here, it is a story of a teeny tiny woman, means very small woman. She was very small woman and this story related to her. That old lady, teeny tiny old lady, old woman, who lived in a teeny tiny house. Her house was also very small and her village was also very small. Actually, the things related to the woman are teeny tiny here, are shown teeny tiny here. They are very small because the woman is herself teeny tiny or very small. Now one day, this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf. The woman, जी आजी असते म्हातारी आजी, ती आपला teeny tiny scarf आपल्या डोक्याला बांधते and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. And she went for a walk. That walk was also teeny tiny. तर छोटंसं फिरायला, एवढंसं फिरायला, थोडंसं फिरायला ती निघाली. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone teeny tiny way, अगदी छोट्याशा वाटेने जेव्हा ती निघाली होती, she came to a teeny tiny gate. She found there a teeny tiny gate. So the teeny tiny woman opened the gate, teeny tiny gate. ते छोटंसं ते gate ती त्या ठिकाणी उघडते. And went into the teeny tiny churchyard. And she entered into the churchyard. What is churchyard? Churchyard means where Christian people buried their dead bodies. ख्रिश्चन लोक ज्या ठिकाणी प्रेत बुजतात किंवा बुजवतात त्याला आपण चर्च यार्ड असं म्हणतो. चर्चच्या आजूबाजूच्या छोटंसं स्मशान म्हणून आपण त्याला. In the next paragraph, see the next paragraph. And when this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave. And the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self, see, when this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, when she entered into the churchyard, जेव्हा ती तिथं गेली, she saw a teeny tiny bone. तिला एक छोटंसं हाड त्या ठिकाणी दिसलं, बोन दिसलं, on a teeny tiny grave. एक छोट्याशा on a very small grave, she found a bone, a piece of bone there. And the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self, and she said to herself, ती स्वतःशीच बोलली. काय बोलली? What did she say? This teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper. She said herself that this teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup, that I will use this teeny tiny very small bone for my supper. माझं रात्रीचं जेवण, सफर मीन्स रात्रीचं जेवण, शेवटचं जेवण दिवसाचं रात्रीच्या जेवणासाठी सूप बनवण्यासाठी हे उपयोगात येईल असं ती स्वतःशीच बोलली. She said to herself. So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. तिचं छोट्याशा त्या पॉकेटमध्ये, खिशामध्ये तिने ते टीनी टाइनी बोन टाकलं. She put the bone into her teeny tiny pocket and went home to her teeny tiny house. आणि ती तिच्या छोट्याशा घराकडे ती निघाली, ती गेली. Now when the teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, ज्या वेळेला ती तिच्या छोट्याशा घरी पोहोचली, when she reached to her home, she was a teeny tiny bit tired. She felt tired. ती थोडी थकली, थोडंसं चालल्याने ती थकली असणार. So she went up her teeny tiny stairs to her. आता ती जिना चढली, अगदी छोटासा तो जिना तिच्या घराचा, छोटासा घर, छोटासा जिना. ती त्या जिन्यावर चढली टू हर टीनी टाइनी बेड, आणि ती तिच्या तिच्या बेडरूमला ती गेली. She went to her bedroom and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. There she had a cupboard in her bedroom, and in that cupboard she put that bone. आणि मग ती ते बोन त्या ठिकाणी ठेवून देते. And when this teeny tiny woman had been to sleep a teeny tiny time, छोटीशी वेळ, एवढीशी वेळ ती झोपी गेली. She was awakened by the teeny tiny voice. आणि काही वेळातच she was awakened, ती उठली, ती जागी झाली. She was awakened by the teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard. आता teeny tiny cupboard, त्या छोट्याशा त्या cupboard मध्ये ज्या ठिकाणी बोन ठेवलेलं होतं, where she put the bone, from that cupboard she heard a voice and she awakened. आणि ती उठली त्या आवाजाने. Which said, आता तो voice, तो आवाज असा म्हणतोय किंवा तो आवाज असा आला, give me my bone. मला माझा हाड परत कर, माझा बोन मला परत कर. And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit of frightened, and she frightened for some time. So she hid her teeny tiny head under the teeny tiny clothes. आणि मग तिने काय केलं तर तिचं छोटंसं ते डोकं आतमध्ये तिने त्या कपड्यांमध्ये किंवा त्या चादरीमध्ये तिने त्या ठिकाणी घेतलं. She hid herself, or she hid her head under the blanket. त्या ब्लँकेट मध्ये तिने स्वतःला लपवून घेतलं. Because of what? Because of the voice that she heard previously. जे तिने मागे जो आवाज ऐकला त्या आवाजामुळे तिने स्वतःला शी हिड हरसेल्फ and when she having to sleep again a teeny tiny time आणि पुन्हा ती थोडीशी झोपली teeny tiny time she slept the teeny tiny voice again cried out again पुन्हा तो आवाज she heard again that voice from the teeny tiny cupboard there त्या कपबोर्ड मधला तो आवाज पुन्हा तिला आवाज तो आला this time a teeny tiny louder आता या वेळेला थोडासा तो मोठा होता give me my bone the same voice माझं हाड मला परत कर माझं बोन मला परत कर this made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened now she frightened more this made her frightened या आवाजामुळे ती अजून अधिक घाबरली so she hid her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny clothes त्या आपल्या छोट्याशा त्या कपड्यामध्ये त्या छोट्याशा त्या चादरीमध्ये तिने पुन्हा स्वतःला झाकून घेतलं किंवा तिने पांघरून घेतलं we can say she hid herself she hid her head under the blanket once again by hearing the voice from the cupboard what was the voice the voice was give me my bone माझा हाड मला परत कर this made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened so she hid her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny clothes त्या कपड्यामध्ये तिने स्वतःला झाकून घेतलं and when the teeny tiny woman had been to sleep again a teeny tiny time पुन्हा ती थोडासा वेळ अगदी थोडासा वेळ आणखी पुन्हा ती झोपून गेली ते पांघरल्यानंतर and the teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard said again पुन्हा she heard again that voice from the cupboard पुन्हा तो आवाज तिला ऐकायला आला a teeny tiny louder ह्या वेळेला अजून अधिक मोठ्याने तो आवाज ऐकायला आला and the voice was and तो आवाज होता give me my bone the same voice she heard again and again आणि पुन्हा ती त्या आवाजाने घाबरून गेली पुन्हा तिने तोच आवाज थोडा जरासा मोठ्याने म्हणजे थोड्याशा मोठ्याने तिने तो ऐकला and this time teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit more frightened अजून थोडा वेळ ती अजून तो आवाज ऐकून ती थोडी जास्तच घाबरून गेली but she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes पण ह्या वेळेला but this time she put her head out of the clothes त्या out of the blanket she peeked there into the cupboard she peeked at the cupboard we may say आपण असं म्हणूया की तिने डोकावून बघितलं कुठे at the cupboard त्या कपबोर्ड कडे त्या कपाटाकडे तिने थोडंसं बघितलं and she said in her loudest teeny tiny voice मोठ्याने परंतु छोट्या आवाजात ती म्हणाली टेक इट घेऊन जा घे तुझं असं ती त्या ठिकाणी म्हटली तर अशा पद्धतीने हिअर आवर स्टोरी एंड्स अशा पद्धतीने आपली ही स्टोरी या ठिकाणी एंड होते ॲट द लास्ट she give the bone to the voice she return that bone to the voice or to the bone itself we may say आपण असंही म्हणू शकतो अशा पद्धतीने here we have seen a little bit horror but funny story I hope you enjoyed it thank you very much see you in the next video thank you